Hey everybody, and welcome to Joe's BBQ House. Well, today we're going to do a short clip of a cook I did for Labor Day. It was kind of a short cook. Sometimes you forget to hit the record button, and when you're busy cooking a lot of food, it happens. I do apologize for that. I have a plan for the next time I cook, which will be at the end of the month. I have approximately 500 wings to do on a Thursday, and I have approximately 3 or 4 briskets and some pork candy bites and some other stuff going on for the Friday and Saturday. I'll get some clips on that as well. Also, we're going to be doing a clean out video soon on the mobile smoker. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to the video. Like I said, it'll be a short one. There was a lot of activity going on. I met some fans. I didn't get their names because, like I said, I was in the middle of moving around. Saw me, and say, "Hey, Joe from Joe's BBQ House," and I was like, "Yeah," and they were just like, all, cheering and stuff, and that was really cool. That meant a lot to me. I'd never seen these people before, but they spotted me out in the crowd. I really appreciate that. And if you know who you are and you're a subscriber to my channel, comment below. I'd like to hear from you. But either way, guys, let's get on to this short mobile smoker cook, and I'll see you at the end. Hey, what's going on there, Joe's BBQ House members? It's about 5 a.m. I am setting up for the Labor Day parade. Well, I'm not going to be in the parade, but I'm going to set up for a cook for the family party. Just getting all set up and ready to go. I'll return back when I get this baby fired up. All right, everybody, check this out. This is my little setup for now. I have my neighbor, Mark. He sold me these tents for very cheap. These little pop-ups. They'll work out great. We're supposed to have cloudy skies today, but it's all good. I'm going to go ahead and just practice for when I'm setting up at events and stuff like that. You can see over here we have the tables and chairs set up. There's a lot of seating on the inside and on the front porch there, so we should be all good with that. Here I'm getting ready to light the pit, probably even another hour or so. Also, if you're wondering where I stashed my wood, well, there's some right there, and I have some in here. No, I will not be using this side today. I just thought that'd just be a good place to store the wood. This is the rotisserie side, which we will not be using. Over here you'll see I got my Cambro set up, got my aluminum foil, gloves, cleaning supplies. This is my little chill area, little prep table here, so I could just set foil pans on or whatnot. So not a bad setup. Took me about an hour to get all this prepped and ready to go, and I think everybody's gonna have a good time. I will also mention that I'll be doing a bunch of chicken wings, chicken legs, and of course everybody's favorite candy bites. All right, everybody, so I went ahead and I got the pork bites in anyway, or I should say the pork belly candy bites. Go ahead and get you guys a quick look at what they look like. I have approximately, I want to say 30 pounds. Yeah, approximately 30 pounds of candy bites. And I have 3 cooling racks here full. I got 2 cooling racks full here, and this one is from a buddy of mine that requests me to make some for him, and I will deliver them to him when they're finished. And over here is just 1 rack of some just basically scraps, I call it, that were too thin to make the bites. So those will just be like samplers. Well, we got a ton of wings and chicken to get on here too. I'll get these on after a while. Probably once these are in the wrapping stage, I will load this baby up with some chicken. All right, everybody, it's been about 2 hours and 20 minutes. And as you can see, these things are ready to be put in the foil. Hey, Debbie Osborne and Zandria. I'd like to apologize for not bringing up your daughter's name. Zandria is one of my favorite nieces, and she's adorable. Love her to death. And this shout out goes to her as well when you see the horses. Now, because I was busy, I wasn't able to get into the parade to get the horses because I already had went by while I was mixing up and seasoning the chicken legs, or the chicken wings, when I was getting them on. So I missed them going down the parade. And as far as Ethan goes, he Mr. Ethan Brown's my brother-in-law. I just caught him, and I had to run like a couple blocks down for to let you know where I was at. I had to walk over to the Walgreens on the corner there at the light to get that footage and come back and maintain the cook. So yeah, it was just a rat race. I should have had one of my kids go down there and do the recording for me and kind of go from there. But anyway, I do apologize for not bringing up Zandria's name, but if you could let her watch this little short clip of these cool looking horses, that'd be great. Those were the Myron Cheeto horses. Hey everybody, this here's a special deal for Debbie Osborne. Hey Debbie, check out these beautiful horses. I'll get some more clips here soon. They got about 20 of them out here in the parade. I'd like to give a big shout out to my brother-in-law for making it big time over here. The local 150. He's coming up here shortly. Got some nice service trucks. This is my family, guys. Mr. Ethan Brown, a nice guy here. What's up there, Mr. Ethan? Hey, now you're going to be on YouTube. Thank you. Hey, Brooke, now you're going to be on YouTube. Say hi. Hey, everybody. I do apologize for not getting the chicken legs. I had 60 of them over there on that top rack, and I completely forgot to take out the camera. I do apologize. But I'll show you the chicken wings. They're going to be done in probably about 15-20 minutes. Now I can't tell you how many chicken wings I have on here because I did not count them. I got them from Costco and they come in some bags. I don't know how many's in there, but I can tell you right now. That there's quite a bit. And I'm sorry, I do apologize for not getting the chicken legs on there. But these two, oops, man down. But these two racks here are full of the things. But anyway, just so you guys know, I had 60 chicken legs on one rack. So that's 480 chicken legs that I could fit comfortably on this, just on this half of the smoker. We're not gonna have that many people here, that's why I didn't fill it up. But regardless, you guys know where I'm coming from. All right, we'll be back when the cook is finished. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that short clip of the smoker. Like I said, I'm trying to get better and better as I go. Before you know it, it'll be second nature and I'll be able to shoot these videos like a pro. Just all in the matter of getting used to it. I'm also looking into getting, I think it's the Rode Wireless Go. I'm looking into getting that. That way I could have it clipped here and I could have my Canon, recording, and I could just talk through here. Sort of like the lav mics that I have that I don't like. You have to remember to turn them both off and, turn them both on, and you can lose a lot of audio that way if you forget, especially if you're, moving around a lot. They suck up way too much of the batteries. I just don't like that. But either way, this Wireless Go from Rode is supposedly a really nice mic, and I want to check it out, and that way, I'm for sure I could be hands-free and do my thing and, go from there. So, again, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.